Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, let's see. So, nag-flip agad si Justice card natin. And we also have here the Ten of Swords, Strength card, Knight of Cups, Five of Swords, Four of Cups, the Hierophant, and the King of Cups. Bottom card natin, the King of Swords. Tingnan natin sa signs and symbol cards. So may energy tayo dito ng Libra and Leo. Marami mga nangyaring rejections, betrayals. So parang may natalo, defeated energy. Maraming conflicts. We have the key, tide, magnifying glass, pencil, shoes, and the snail card. Bottom card natin dito, dream catcher. So, itong rejection na ito, mukhang kung ikaw man yung tinanggihan nitong taong to, this person is now in this parang pinagsisisihan niya yung pagkakamaling yun. And kasi naghahanap pa siya ng mga options eh. Kumbaga, this person is still exploring their options, kaya tinanggihan ka niya. Wala pa naman siyang ibang pinili nun, pero tinanggihan ka niya. Kasi, this person is expecting a lot more. Tingnan natin. I'm becoming a better person. I look for you everywhere. And then now, nung umiwas ka sa kanya, hinahanap ka niya. I wish I could share my good news with you. I want to tell you how I feel. You came closer than anyone. I feel you leaving me behind. I replay our conversations over and over. So, ayun na nga, no. Nung simula nung umiwas ka, after niya reject, ngayon naman hinahanap ka niya. So, tingnan natin message ng archangels natin. So far sa mabiyutang taon to, mukhang natali na siya sa isang relationship na hindi siya masaya. So we have here Hello from Heaven by Archangel Azrael. Your loved ones in heaven are doing fine. Let go of worries and feel their loving blessings. And this person is in this energy ng snail. Mabagal. Mabagal ang galaw. Parang nakaano lang siya, nakamasid lang siya sa'yo ngayon. Lagi mo siya napapanaginipan ngayon eh, or parehas kayo. You complete me. You're the fairest of them all. You're my happy pill. I want to marry you someday. I want solid foundations. I'm willing to take the risk. You're so hot. I have multiple opportunities. Caught in the middle. Okay, so for some of you, may third party or may pinili nga siyang ibang tao. You're so sexy. Pero attracted pa rin siya sa'yo. This person is looking for you. Yung mga characteristics na meron ka, na wala yung taong yun. Parang kinukumpara niya kayong dalawa, ng taong pinili niya. So, tingnan natin. Celebration. Twin flames. So, for some of you, may twin flame connection dito. And manifestation. So, minamanifest pa rin niya or maaari kasi gusto niya makapasok talaga sa panaginip mo para maalala mo siya ulit. Kaya parang napapanaginipan mo siya or kung napanaginipan mo man siya, gano'n, parang sa panaginip niya dinadaan. Ito mga messages na gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. Shy at first, so nahihiya siya lumapit lumapit sa ngayon. We have Blake. Nag-o-overthink siya ng mga gagawin, sasabihin. South PH. Luzon. Visayas. November. Skin tag. Sagittarius. Karmic, ayun. So, natali siya sa karmic. Kung twin flames mo man ito, natali siya sa karmic relationship. Dimple. Crazy for you. Talented. Responsible. Need more signs. Flower athletic. Weird. Travel. So, may pagka long distance. Cute and chubby. Number 3. Soon. Past person. Wands is fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Number 2. Green-minded. Another twin flame card. Aquarius and kind-hearted. So, yun nasa ilalim, vulnerable. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. So, wait lang. Ayan. Kalimutan natin ang initials. So, bigyan natin tang initials to bago natin tapusin. Letter X. A. Q. V. L. E. P. And S. Okay, so yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.